Okay, hello everyone, and today we are going to talk about the current week. And before we start talking about this week, let me remind you that currently you have mentors, so you can ask about help, support, or advice on your mentors, but I would recommend to you before ask any question your mentor, try to do some research. I mean, if you want to ask how to resolve this issue, try to find uh, any ideas in the internet, for example, and then go to your mentor with request to help you to choose the most applicable way for resolving some issue. It would help you to improve your skill. I mean, skill of researching any information, make analysis of this information is really important for any developers. Because within your real production life, you will search a lot of information, and I hope that you will be able to find the most relevant solution, and you will be able to analyze a lot of information, and this skill, just believe, is really important for you. So nonetheless, you have a mentor, please do not forget to improve the skill and working on it as well as in your hard skills. And that's all for this point. And let's discuss current week. This week, you will familiar with the code review principles. You learn how to make code review, some tools, and what pieces of code should be important to make a comment. The next one, you will learn about the single page application. It's one of the modest approach in our day, and this information will be useful for you mm, at the last task. And finally, you will read information about modulus. I hope that it also would be interesting for you because it's also modern feature. And related to task. This week, you should complete task news API that's about the migration to TypeScript, the application, and this task will be checked by your mentor. So I hope that you have agreement with your mentor how you will inform about the submission of task. And small notes related to submission. The task will be evaluated the result of task will be evaluated at that deadline. That means what you submit at the deadline, this code will be evaluated. In case you have agreement with your mentor that you submit task in advance, mentor will check it at your comments, and then you apply these commands, improve code, and submit one more time before deadline. You may get more points because you make all changes before the deadline. But it works only in case you have agreement with your mentor. You should understand that mentors are fully busy with working activities, project life, and so on, and they might be have no enough time to check 2, 3, or 5 times per one task. But in case a mentor will have enough time, they will check as soon as you submit. Please discuss this question, this option with your mentor. And when you submit the task after deadline, mentor will check it, provide some recommendation. You can apply this recommendation, but it will not improve your points. Your score. But it will improve your hard skill because your task mm, be realized is in a more correct way, and it helps you to improve your hard skill as well. And this week, you will start working on a task code review. It's a interesting task from my point of sight of view. I can't. Sorry, the area from the Teams prevent me to open the page. It means that you should make a code review for code and share with your mentor the result of your code review. And the last one, it's JS dates. As you know, it's a task with a lot of small tasks for some particular theme. This time it will be about dates in JavaScript. And that's all for current week. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask or to write this question in the chat. Do you already know when the React course will start? It should start within 1 month after the completion stage 2. But I will ask the particular date and will share with you in the Discord. You're welcome. Seems that all about question, and thank you for your participation. Wish you a good week. Thank you. Bye bye.